Ever wondered how those pesky expense reports magically transform into neat invoices in Expensify? Let's unravel the mystery. Expensify, a powerful tool for managing expenses, offers a flexible billing system that caters to various business needs. From simple receipt plans to complex custom billing, it's designed to adapt to your unique requirements. Core billing models. Receipt plan. How it works: a fixed monthly fee per user. Best for small to medium-sized businesses with a stable number of users. Pros: predictable costs, easy to budget. Cons: might become expensive for rapidly growing teams. Custom billing. How it works: a tailored plan based on your specific needs, often involving a combination of factors like user count, transaction volume, and advanced features. Best for large enterprises with complex expense management requirements. Pros: high degree of customization, potential cost savings. Cons: more complex to set up and manage. Key billing considerations. Additional fees. While the core billing models are straightforward, there might be additional fees for specific services like premium features, integrations, or advanced support. Currency conversion. Expensify supports multiple currencies. Be mindful of potential conversion fees, especially for international transactions. Tax implications. Understand the tax implications of expense management software, particularly when it comes to input tax credits and VAT. Contractual terms. Carefully review your contract with Expensify to clarify billing cycles, payment terms, and any service level agreements. How Expensify calculates expenses. Expense submission. Users submit expense reports, including receipts and itemized details. Policy enforcement. Expensify's policy engine automatically checks for compliance with company expense policies. Expense approval. Authorized approvers review and approve or reject expense claims. Billing calculation. Once approved, expenses are calculated based on the agreed-upon billing model and any additional fees. Tips for effective expense management. Train your team. Ensure all employees understand Expensify's features and how to use them correctly. Set clear policies. Establish clear expense policies to minimize unnecessary spending and simplify the approval process. Utilize automation. Leverage Expensify's automation features to streamline expense reporting and reduce manual effort. Monitor and analyze. Regularly review expense reports to identify trends and potential cost-saving opportunities. By understanding Expensify's billing models and best practices for expense management, you can optimize your financial processes and maximize the value of this powerful tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.